Hi, our today's question is to write a program that print the number of words in a given string. Here, very little detail is given. So, we will consider that the delimiter for separation of two words is white space. The approach to solving this problem is that when we will see the white space or their combination, then we will split the string from that point. In Java, there is a method in the string class that splits the string in the given regex form. In case you don't know what regex is, it's the regular expression, which is a special sequence of characters that helps us match or find other strings or set of strings using a specialized syntax held in a pattern. These can be used to search, edit, or manipulate text and data. In our case, we will search for white spaces. In Java, we use pattern and matcher classes for solving the regex problem. Pattern class provides us with different patterns that we can directly use for making some patterns like an email. This class has a special pattern for dealing with the white spaces also. This includes \s, which is used for any kind of white space. This includes space, new line or /n, tab or /t, carriage return or /r, form field or /f, and other kind of Unicode white spaces. So the method that splits our string around matches of the given regular expression is the split method of class string. This method returns the array of string computed by splitting the string around matches of the given regular expression. We have seen that we can have continuous white spaces also instead of a single white space, so that the pattern that we have to write is for one or more white space. In pattern class, we have some greedy quantifiers, meaning that quantifiers that try to match the longest text that matches the given pattern. A quantifier that matches one or more occurrence of a text includes x plus, where x is the character that we want to occur. So now our pattern becomes /s plus, slash for white space and plus for one or more occurrence of white space. Does it make sense to you? So now let's see this in the code. Init plus, we will make a new class. We will name our method word count, static int. It will return us the count of the words in a given string, so its return type will be int word count. Our parameter here is string s. We will use s dot split method, and our regex here is \s plus. Okay, so now here /s is an escape sequence, so we have to use one more backslash to escape it. And now this is our complete regex pattern. A split method returns the array of string, so we will hold it in a variable. Let's say str. The length of this array is the total number of words our string has, so we will return the length of this array. Return str dot length. Now coming to main method, we will make the string instead of taking the input, because the new line character and tab characters are not recognized by the scanner class. Okay, string s. This is not a good approach, but unfortunately we don't have any other choice. It would be much better to use some problem solving platforms. I looked up for Geeks, but there was some issue in that, so I was unable to use that. So sorry for that. And on the other platforms, this problem was not available. So now let's focus here. Let the string be any combination of spaces and lowercase characters. We will call word count and we will pass s in here, and so now this will return us the number of words in the string. So let's print that system.out.println. So now that's it. Our code is ready to compile. Java C word count.java. Okay, code is compiled successfully. Word count. So we are getting 4. So let's check. This is our first word, second word, third word and fourth word. Okay, so this is the desired output. So now let's check for some more test cases. Okay, so in this case our desired output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so let's see. We have to compile our code every time we make any changes in it. So compile and run. Okay, 7. So this is the desired output. Okay, now the time complexity of a program depends on the split function, and split function depends on the length of the regex. Okay, the length of our regex depends on the white spaces that we will encounter. So in here the time complexity will be big O of n for the length of the string, because it have to iterate over the string, plus k. K is the length of the regex. Okay, so our regex can be of any length. It could be as long as this, so it depends on the input. So in here, if k is not that large, then it would be considered as big O of n only, but overall if we see, then it will be O of n plus k. Okay, you can check for more test cases. So that's all for today. We will see more questions in the next lecture. Thank you.